Okay, since we're on the topic of the fill handle, it would be good to cover a few different use cases of it. Until now, we've used the fill handle to populate formulas across an Excel table. However, the fill handle is also really helpful to populate predefined patterns in your data. Let's say I had this list of dates that had the first of each month. If I highlight both of the values and then drag it down, it will automatically populate the dates forward in time as the first of each month at monthly increments. Excel will do this for any pattern it can recognize. If I try to use the fill handle for this single value Monday, Excel will automatically populate the names of the days of the week. Pretty cool. If I have a 1 here and I want to create an incrementing list, meaning a list of numbers that increases by 1 every time, I can try clicking and dragging this down using the fill handle. However, this does not work as expected. It just ended up pasting a bunch of 1s. This is because a single number is not enough of a pattern for Excel to recognize what I am trying to do. Since we are trying to create an incrementing list, I'm going to enter in a second number, 2, under the 1. This should be enough for Excel to recognize. I highlight both of them, and then I use the fill handle to drag it down, and now Excel has properly created an incrementing list for us. The fill handle also works for lists that show different patterns for incrementing, like here, where I'm trying to create a list of even numbers. Highlighting and dragging it down with the fill handle properly increments my list by 2 every time. And finally, the fill handle can also be used to populate the same formula throughout a table. Let's say I wanted to multiply all of these numbers by 10, so I'm going to create a formula by typing equals 10 times and the number on the left-hand side. I can hit enter, this looks okay, and now I can use the fill handle to click and drag it down. Excel has automatically populated this formula that multiplies each subsequent number by 10.